love math so much, and I ranked that a little bit higher. Up above that is actually a PhD in chemical engineering. That's a wild one. Or a computer science, getting a PhD in that. That's another wild one. But that's a pretty big accomplishment, Irishman. So congratulations. Paul, thanks for the follow. You and BCB, I don't, who's BCB? I don't know what that is. Are the only people tracking this part of the crash structure. Like I said, this is why I think everyone's lying. All these crypto influencers are lying. They're feeding you these. Let me tell you something about the game of this social media and the trading niche. These people who use the promo codes and these discords and their courses and their XYZ, whatever they can sell to you, they're when the market is bullish is when they're making the most money off of that. You know when they're not making the most amount of money? When the price is going down, because they don't know how to trade it. Everyone can make money in a bull market, but the person who can be dynamic and trade both sides of the coin, that's the right person to trade. Now, I'm not saying I'm the right person. I'm far from it. I'm not perfect at all. That's why I have to ask Jesus for forgiveness all the time. Believe me, especially some of these people in these hateful comments. Say, Lord, forgive me, because I ask for patience and I get more problems. With block logic analysis, and yep, that's also a pretty solid one. I don't really use that, but that's a pretty solid one. Blockchain backer. I'll take a look at him, or she, he, she. But yeah, so I come to you today on a Saturday night. Thank you for spending this time with me. Thank you for hearing my rant. I know my tone might sound kind of angry and irritated. It's primarily because usually I'm not like this, but I cannot sit around. I cannot sit around and watch other people get trapped. So that, and another reason why I'm low-key kind of grouchy, because my knee's killing me. Don't do deep squats. Nell zone. So why? Thank you for whoever, Wolf. Thanks. Remember, everything gets donated to a food bank. I appreciate it. Irish, good to meet you. Irish, you want to hear something funny? I got banned a couple times for exposing the trading community. Some of these, I'm not going to say the names. I called out stating that some of these leaders in these Discord communities were using their communities as exit liquidity and blaming their community when they didn't put set their stop positions. I know that because I track volume and I could see that. I know when they entered, I know the position size they entered, and when they started to sell. I saw it, I tracked it, and you know what happened? You know how petty these people are? They reported me and almost got my TikTok page banned. Me with like 40K followers, right?